Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of marine life to uncover a unique partnership between sharks and manta rays. Imagine having an itch you just can't scratch. In the ocean, sharks have found an ingenious solution to this problem. They've discovered that giant manta rays make the perfect tools for removing pesky parasites that cling to their bodies, offering a whole new perspective on marine interactions. During an exploratory journey off the coast of Mexico's Revillagigedo archipelago, scientists documented an intriguing behavior between Galapagos sharks and giant manta rays. Between December 2024 and January 2026, researchers observed this phenomenon at 3 different diving spots. These enormous manta rays, known for their size and lack of defensive mechanisms, tolerate this behavior from smaller sharks but try to dodge the larger ones, fearing a bite. The sharks particularly target the nose and gill regions, which are prone to marine parasites like sea lice. The rough surfaces of manta rays act as natural scrubbing boards, making them perfect for parasite removal. This behavior isn't aggressive, rather, it's an adaptive strategy for the sharks to achieve comfort. Typically, fish visit natural cleaning stations where smaller fish remove their parasites. Yet, these stations can become too crowded, prompting fish to seek alternative methods. Some researchers speculate that this behavior might have stemmed from a single shark's successful experiment, leading others to follow suit. How sharks learn this behavior remains a mystery. Some suggest the idea came from small fish that often rub against sharks, while others believe it's a result of trial and error. Regardless of how these sharks learned this tactic, this discovery enriches our understanding of marine life interactions. This study highlights that nature is still full of surprises and inventive adaptations. The interaction between sharks and manta rays opens new avenues for understanding environmental adaptations and unconventional behaviors in the ocean. Through these interactions, we see how animals creatively solve their daily challenges, showcasing the complexity and beauty inherent in natural ecosystems. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating science content.